Have you ever wondered why the economy sometimes feels like a party and other times like a financial disaster? Why prices rise, jobs disappear, or stock markets crash, only to bounce back later? That's because of something called the business cycle. And in this video, I'll break it down with simple terms and real-life examples, so by the end, you'll know exactly why economies boom and bust. The business cycle refers to the natural rise and fall of economic activity over time. It's not a straight line up. It's a cycle of good times and bad times, kind of like the seasons. The cycle has 4 main stages: expansion, peak, contraction or recession, trough. Let's start with the good times, expansion. During this phase, the economy is growing. More people are getting jobs. Businesses are investing and producing more. Consumers are spending, and confidence is high. Example, think of a tech boom. Companies are hiring software engineers like crazy. The stock market is rising, and you just got a raise. But eventually, things get too hot. The economy hits a peak. At this point, demand is outpacing supply. Prices rise and inflation kicks in. Everyone's making money, but it's unsustainable. Example, remember the housing market in 2006? Everyone thought prices would keep going up forever. Then comes the contraction, or what we call a recession. Businesses slow down, people lose jobs, spending drops, stock markets fall, and fear spreads. Example, in 2008, after the housing bubble burst, banks failed, people lost homes, and unemployment soared. A recession is officially when the economy shrinks for 2 consecutive quarters. The lowest point in the cycle is called the trough. This is when the economy has hit rock bottom. But here's the silver lining: this is also when recovery begins. Central banks may cut interest rates, governments may increase spending, and slowly confidence returns. And just like that, we're back to expansion. The cycle continues again and again. The business cycle is influenced by a mix of factors like consumer confidence and spending habits, interest rates set by the central bank, government policy like taxes and public spending, and big global events like wars, pandemics, or oil shocks. Example, in 2020, COVID-19 caused a sudden contraction in almost every country, despite no financial crisis before it. We can't stop the cycle, but governments and central banks try to manage it. During recessions, they might lower interest rates to make borrowing cheaper, inject money through stimulus checks, increase infrastructure spending to create jobs. During booms, they may raise rates or cut spending to avoid overheating. Understanding the business cycle helps you make smarter financial decisions. If you know we're in an expansion, maybe it's a good time to invest or grow your business. If we're heading into a recession, maybe cut expenses, save more, or avoid risky investments. Let's recap. Economies expand, reach a peak, then contract, and hit a trough. This pattern repeats over and over. While we can't stop it, we can prepare for it. Now that you know how the business cycle works, ask yourself, where do you think we are in the cycle right now? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos that simplify personal finance and economics.